Got to change a split driveshaft CV boot? Have a look at this CV Bootgun from Laser Tools. This is the quickest and most effective way to install CV boots with diameters up to 115 millimeters. Designed and manufactured in the UK, it works off the Workshop compressed air supply. A press of the button and the tool instantly expands the flexible rubber boot. Press the opposite button to release the pressure. A split boot releases grease and it quickly spreads all over the adjacent suspension components. It gets everywhere. We'll soon get it fixed though. First step is to remove the road wheel. Then the center hub securing nut. We'll push the drive shaft through the hub to release it. We need to split the lower suspension arm from the upright. So release the drop link, then remove the lower arm securing bolts. Releasing the lower arm from the upright lets us swing out the drive shaft and gain access to the CV joint and boot. Using these boot clamp cutters makes removing the existing clamps quick and easy. As we will not be removing the CV joint from the drive shaft, we will cut off the old damaged boot. Now it's time to clean up the shaft and joint of all that old grease. We offer up the new CV boot to check that it is the correct size, and then reach for the boot gun. Spray some lubricant into the boot. This makes it easier to slide onto the boot gun and also makes it easier to withdraw the boot gun once the boot is in place. Now watch this. A quick button press and the boot gun expands the stretch fit boot. Now it's a simple task to fit the new boot past the CV joint and onto the drive shaft. Release the pressure, then withdraw the boot gun. The new boot is now in place, and all we have to do is fill it with grease and secure it with new clips. These boot clamp pliers are specially designed to close up the clamps correctly. Now cover the CV joint with molybdenum disulfide grease. Then close up the boot and fit the outer clamp. You can clearly see the action of the boot clamp pliers here. You cannot achieve this with an ordinary set of pliers. Rotate the CV joint a few times to ensure that the new grease is spread evenly over the joint. And that's the job done. A new CV joint boot fitted without having to remove the drive shaft and CV joint. The CV boot gun from Laser Tools, designed for fast, clean boot installation in the professional vehicle workshop.